Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change content or text position in WordPress cover block. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your WordPress website by launching your web browser and entering the site address. After logging in, head to the Quick Links section of your dashboard. Here you will find the Edit Site option. Click on it to access the WordPress site editor, where all cover block adjustments will be made. Inside the site editor, locate the plus icon at the top left corner. Clicking this icon opens the block menu and reveals a search field. Type Cover into the search field, and WordPress will display the available cover block options. Select the cover block from the list. Once the cover block is added, choose your background image by selecting the option to open the media library. Browse through your existing uploads and select the image that best matches your design. Click Select to apply it as your cover background. After the image is set, proceed to type your desired text onto the cover block. When your text is added, adjust its placement by exploring the alignment settings. Click on the text alignment option to reveal choices such as left, center, or right. Select the alignment that best fits the visual layout you're aiming for. If at any point you decide to change the cover image, simply click on the cover block again. This will display the Replace option. Click Replace, return to the media library, and choose a new image. Confirm your selection to update the cover instantly. And that's it. So that is how you can change content or text position in WordPress cover block. So that's all for this video. Thanks.